Salamünaleyküm uşaqlar. Çoxdan da uzun video ata bilmirdim. Bunun da bəzi səbəbləri var idi. Düzünü desəm, həm bir tərəfdən də tənbəlliyim də tutuldu, həm də işlərim də var idi. İnşallah videomu bəyənərsiniz. Əsas video bu arada budur. Sim Brawl Stars videosudur. Yaxın bir zamanda gələcək. Yaxın bir zamanda kanala yükləyəcəm. Bir hesab məsələsi var. Hesabı bir həll eləyə bilsəm, çünki hesab açılmalıdır da. Hesab açılmadan giriş etmək olmur. Uzun bir videosunda görəcəksiniz. Əlimdən gəldiyi qədər başa salmaya çalışacağam sizə. Nəsə, videonun geri qalanı səssiz olacaq, amma sonlara yaxın danışacağam.
Fight back. You ain't gonna make it, you ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not thinking straight, kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds, talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more speak out. It's about to head south. Never gonna make it. There's no way that you make it. Yeah, maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fight back. You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different, man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro, don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in.
Video beləsinə idişarlar, inşallah ki bəyənmişsinizdir. Belə videoların davamını istəyirsinizsə, bu video gözəl bir like gələrsə, mən demirəcəm nə qədər gələrsə, ürəyinizə nə keçirsə atın. Görək nə qədər like gələcək.